What's up guys, Daniel here. Today let's talk about Bitcoin price prediction, why the price is downtrending and price could be around $25,000 on the end of 2026 guys, because we just hit a downtrend. And also let's talk about why I stopped to send trades on Trade Crypto. Okay, TradeCryptotime@gmail.com. Guys, I stopped sending trades on the Trade Crypto because we have this new update on the internet from Manifest V2. Now it's being Manifest V3. That means I have to basically rebuild the whole software. That's a lot of code lines to rebuild, because I have to rebuild right now on Manifest V3 just to keep people updated about what's going on with the software. For the people I sent 15% per week, hang on. No, the software is offline right now. You're gonna keep yourself updated. Now let's talk about Bitcoin price prediction is going down. Up possible $25,000 at the end of 2026 because we are trade under the support line right here. I explained on my last video. This is the support line. Very important. And this is a weak shot. When you are in weak shot trend under the support line, you are bearish. Okay? Stay away from Bitcoin. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin, the main cryptos, because we still trade them as a swing trade. No day trade because right now the software is offline. Nothing's working. But I'll keep yourself updated. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Takes your time. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.